In this video, we will explain how to use the front and rear-facing cameras in the 2019 Subaru Ascent. The 180-degree front view camera can be used in situations where more visibility is needed, such as when the driver encounters an intersection with poor visibility, or if there are obstacles in the driver's line of sight. To access the front view monitor, first ensure the shift lever is in drive, and then press the View or Enter button on the dashboard. The camera is now usable. To cancel it, press the View or Enter button again. The guiding lines on the front view monitor indicate the width of the vehicle to help the driver navigate the space. The standard rear view camera provides a view of your surroundings behind the vehicle. It automatically appears on screen when the transmission is put into reverse and displays dynamic distance indicating guidelines that move with steering inputs to show the vehicle's intended path. The Ascent also offers a smart rear view mirror to further improve visibility. It uses a dedicated camera to maintain visibility when the view behind is obstructed inside the vehicle. To operate it, adjust the mirror to the correct position, and then select a display mode by pulling the mode lever toward you. To select mirror mode, push the lever away from you. All of these cameras work together to provide enhanced visibility while driving the 2019 Subaru Ascent.